Okay, Layer, and today we are doing a slime giveaway. And first, here we go. So first we will be doing this turquoise slime right here. Turquoise slime. So this is the slime giveaway that we are going to be doing again. Go check out my video that announced the slime giveaway winners from this first one. Okay, now second we are doing pink fluffy slime. Okay. Now we'll be doing pink slime. Just regular pink slime. It's very sticky, so yeah. And I might be adding all of this because it's really sticky. So see, very sticky. But this is very satisfying.
Pokemon?
Huh?
It's a Pokemon?
Who?
Me.
Why'd you say that?
I don't know.
I have to get all of this out. See how sticky this is? Sorry if you wanted that slime. It's kind of all gone now, but I mean, I really needed these containers.
But which one did she want? This one or this one?
Who?
Lily.
She wanted this one. Okay, so I made some new slimes, guys. So
She made a pudding.
Here's what we have so far. I made lots of new slimes, but I'm gonna go through these ones first. This is my favorite jelly slime. And this is the strawberry gel slime. Or you can, yeah, strawberry jelly slime. Okay guys, so I'm going to go through it real quick. To enter the slime giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like my videos, including this video right here, and like it. Go down below and enter the amount of numbers slimes I've mixed in here for one slime. To have 2 slimes, write something nice about my channel, and to have 3 slimes, go ahead and when you write down the numbers of how many slimes I put in here, put the names down. So that's how you get 3 slimes, and 3 slimes is the limit for this giveaway again. But next time I will be doing 5 slime giveaways, or not 5 slime giveaways, but I will be doing 5 slime, like, to give away. So yeah, but so yeah, that's what, yeah. And if And subscribing and liking this video already gets you entered into the slime giveaway. So actually, you could be getting 4 right now. So if you subscribe and like this video, you can automatically get entered into the slime giveaway for 1. So if you do all those things, subscribe, like, that's 1. Put the number of slimes that I mixed in here, and that's 2 slimes. And if you comment something nice about my channel, that's 3 slimes. And if you put the numbers down and everything I just said, but when you put the numbers down for this, you put the names of the slimes next to it, that will get you 4 slimes. So look out for that. Let's go ahead and go to it. Alright. So this is a rainbow fluffy slime. So this has glitter and styrofoam balls in it. It is very fluffy. See? And guys, after this video is posted and you watch it, hurry up and do it, because this thing will not last long. So there's the rainbow fluffy slime. Woo, pick that up. Hey, I landed it. Ooh, look how clear that is. Ooh, this one turned into a gel putty.
Yeah. That's the cinnamon one.
This is a cinnamon putty slime. Right here. Because it smells like cinnamon, I put hand sanitizer in it. So here we go. I'm going to add some of that in here. Oh, and guys, when you want the slimes, you have to comment down below what your favorite ones are to get them. So, yeah. So, this is a fluffy slime with styrofoam balls in it. So, you can just call this
styrofoam.
Green ball slime. This one right here, because it has styrofoams in it and stuff. So this is a green ball slime. And I will go over all the directions at the end of the video if you guys would like. So there's that one. And it's green, so yeah. Oh God. This is, whoa.
You like, this is, whoa.
This is a fluffy styrofoam slime. So you can go ahead and put fluffy styrofoam slime. Or like if this is your favorite, this is what you would put down. Or if you're going for the 4 slimes, this is also what you put down. It's really fluffy and crunchy. Oh God, styrofoam balls are everywhere. Don't dream it's over. And here I will be adding crunchy white slime. More styrofoams.
More
So you
styrofoam.
put crunchy white slime. This is a regular white slime. So if you want regular white slime, there you go.
Hey now. Hey now.
This is a clear slime, I think. Yep. This is a jiggly clear slime.
Or it could be nothing. Called like the nothing. Because you can see through it.
So that's the jiggly clear slime.
I know. Spreading. Oh, you got it on the floor.
How did that happen? So here's the clearest jiggly slime. Oh god. Alright. Okay, so we're going to be doing this one, purple one now. So you can put clear gel slime because it's very...
And purple. Clear purple.
Oh, wait, yeah, just put purple purple gel slime. And I got slime on here, so put purple clear gel slime if you're doing the words. I'll put it over there. This is a purple crunchy slime. Okay, so taking some of that. It's a purple crunchy slime. This is what this is right here. This, yeah. You'll get the idea.
Yeah.
So, this is my MMS slime. If you want this, you can get it, but, I mean, you know. This looks so weird, and I tore it apart. But, I mean, yeah. But there goes that. This is my orange fluffy slime. I turned this into an iceberg slime, so then I ruined it because I really wanted to see what it would be like. So then that's what I did. But yeah. And I will be doing an iceberg video, so don't forget about that.
A what video?
An iceberg video.
What's an iceberg video?
I will discuss this when this is over.
Okay.
This is hard to explain, but hold on. This is I put slime into these styrofoam balls. And I think I put too much balls. I actually know I put too much balls. But I mean, like, this is huge and it rips very easily. But I mean, I really like this slime. I really do. What did you do?
Hurt my foot during doing this.
But there's that.
And it hurts to...
All the different consistency. It's brilliant. Anyway. Oh god. No. So I guess you can call this one right here rainbow green slime.
Just slime it's over. I like this one because you can see the top.
What do you mean?
It's solid.
What is?
The cinnamon.
Oh. This is a purple.
I wonder what color it might.
This is a purple jiggly slime.
It might make black. You never know. Black slime.
So this is purple jiggly slime. It's like an icing now. This is very sticky, so I actually might just get rid of all of this. So sorry if you wanted this one. I can't stand to have it. But I will announce the winners. Let's see what we got. I will announce the winners.
That's covering like everything up.
I know.
Just mix it.
Okay. We can't put this on my bed because then it will get all over it. And that would be terrible. Why do I keep doing that? Alright, so now I'm going to be doing. I have to mix this. Ugh, sticky. Oh! Look. It's so clear you couldn't see it. See? It looks. Whoa.
Just take the whole thing and throw it in the air and catch it.
Oh, okay. No. I predict that this is going to be very purple. Because I have a lot of purple slimes. And I just rubbed slime on my shirt. But anyway. This is my butter slime. So, oh god. It's sticking to me now because I touched other slimes. So, this is my butter slime. So you can put butter slime.
Just mix it, see what.
No, because Play-Doh and slime do not have fun with each other. So, yeah. Because I've tried to mix Play-Doh and slime together to make butter slime, and it wasn't really the deal. So I watched a video, and it said to mix Play-Doh and lotion, so that's what I did. And
I'm gonna put some lotion in here.
alright, so there's that. Okay. So that was butter slime.
Butter slime. We have
Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing this styrofoam purple slime. So that's not what it's gonna be called, but I mean, I'm gonna call it purple
foam.
Purple Floam, yes, Purple Floam. So this is that if you want it. This is not all you're going to be getting if you do like this slime, because I have more over there. But there's that.
And then this slime.
Yeah, this is the same exact thing. But I'm only doing one because it's the same exact thing, so you don't have to put this down twice. But I really love it. One of my favorite slimes on here. So now I'll be doing my regular clear slime.
What was
You
your
want
first
this
slime?
Huh?
What was your first slime?
Turquoise slime?
Okay.
Why?
Not this slime, like the very one that you made.
It was actually regular slime with detergent. That is what my first slime was. See, look, I put that clear slime everywhere. Now you can't really see it, but it's like right there. See it?
Then you can see it later.
Yeah. So that was the clear slime. And guys, I think I'm going to be doing a free giveaway on this slime in another video. But can you guys guess what this slime is? Hold on. Wait, what did I... Oh, clear slime. This is birthday cake slime. So,
And it looks like
it does look like a birthday cake. And yes, guys, my mom got me styrofoam balls and fluff and shaving cream. So, in this video, guys, this is all because of my mom. She's buying me all this stuff, and like I have to get my own money to buy my own stuff sometimes. But I mean, she bought me the styrofoam balls and the shaving cream this time. But I mean, I thank her a lot for it too. So yeah. And this is the birthday cake slime. This is, hold on.
This is like a clear slime too.
Wait, hold on.
Nobody wanna see us together.
But it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. So this is a clear, crunchy slime. Hold on, let me see something real quick.
Here come be slime.
So yeah, you can just put clear, crunchy slime for this one, because this is So you can put that in the comments below if you're doing this. Hold on.
Nobody wanna see us
Together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I this is my glass putty.
And this is her.
Why is this sticky to me? This is a glass putty. So yeah. And I'm not giving away the glass putty, so sorry. In my first slime giveaway, Rishi really wanted my slime, my glass putty, but I told him he couldn't have it because I really like it. So, and then last but not least, we have my clear bead slime. So that's what you would put down, clear bead slime. So you would take that. If you guys, well, and these are the slimes he got from my giveaway. Go check out that video if you haven't already.
So I've got this white crunchy slime.
That player really made the slime sticky.
This slime is getting used to my hands now.
Oh God. Ew. Look at it.
What?
It looks weird.
Excuse me. Okay.
So this is what we have. So this is what we have now. A very mean Play-Doh in it that I use for the butter slime. This one's very sticky. This one's very sticky. Especially when I put the Play-Doh in it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I know I did. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. Oh, and let me go over the rules for the giveaway. So, if you are already subscribed to this channel, good job. I'm happy. But you have to like this video to get your first slime. And then to get your second slime, you have to write something nice about my channel in the comments down below. To get 3 slimes, you have to number the amount of slimes I put in there. And to get 4 slimes, the grand prize, 4, you have to write down the names next to the numbers of the slimes. So, that's that. And if after you guys do all of this, I want you to go down below and put all the slimes that you liked down below. If you did the 4 slime enter giveaway, you can write down 4 slimes that you really, really liked during this video, or 1 slime that you did like. You're in my shop, dude. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. Enter that slime giveaway right now when this comes out. So enter it right now. Push the subscribe button, like this video, enter all of your comments in the comments down below.
Like, do it like literally right now.
Yeah, like do it right now. Guys, you have to do it right now. I know he's gonna do it right now.
I don't have my tablet.
Oh yeah, he doesn't have. Never mind. He's not gonna be doing that right now. You didn't bring your phone?
No. I'm waiting.
Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. He will be doing this when he gets home. And guys, I do not help him. I repeat, I do not help him. Even if he's part of my family, I don't help him. Like, he literally does his stuff on his own. Like, he knows how to do it on his own. But this is really sticky.
She's put this slime already in.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to enter in the slime giveaway. I know I already said that, but it's every day, bro. Peace. Peace. No, peace right there.